Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I had this whole beach trip video planned for you guys, and I know I've done one of them before, but I have not taken you to Pensacola beach yet. That was the goal for today, and then it started raining and thunderstorming, and I was a very upset Elaina. And I know you're all gonna call me a liar because now you turn around and look at that. It is a beautiful day. It was supposed to be like this all day long, at least for most of the day, but that didn't work out for me. It didn't work in my favor, but that's okay because I thought of an even better idea. So there's this thing in Pensacola called Gallery Night, and it is basically an artsy kind of festival that happens downtown Pensacola. They close off like streets in downtown, and they have all these art vendors that display their art, anything from paintings to jewelry, etc. They have live music. Sometimes there's even like a karaoke DJ downtown. This happens like once a month on Fridays, usually around the full moon, weirdly enough. Anyway, all the art galleries downtown will stay open later than they usually do, and it all starts happening when businesses start to close down around 5 p.m. The streets are flooded with people. I've been going to this since I was like in high school, here and there, not religiously, but it's always been like a thing around Pensacola, and it's crazy to see how much it's grown. So I was going to take you guys with me to Gallery Night downtown Pensacola, and I'm super excited. I think you guys will get a kick out of it. I'll definitely have to be mindful because there's a lot of copyrighted music down there. So if you hear my Elaina vlog music in the background, that's why, because I was around a bunch of copyrighted music. But downtown Pensacola is absolutely gorgeous. I kind of took you around a small area for my birthday vlog, so if you haven't seen that, check it out. Anyway, so I'll show you the sights, I'll show you what goes on downtown, and I hope you guys enjoy. I am first getting dinner at this place that Lance and Audrey really like, and they introduced it to me because they are amazing and I love them dearly. So I am going there tonight for dinner first, an early dinner, and then it'll be time to explore. I'm so excited. I went last month, but I got there kind of late, so not all the vendors were open, so it'll be nice to get an early start, especially with the sun shining. It's gonna be great. Okay, now I'm for real done, and I'm so excited. I'll see you there. All right, guys, made it downtown, just had some dinner. It's time to explore. Let's go check it out.
Probably not so important to cut the exact center, but it is important to cut it, and that happens so fast. A lot of people miss it. They miss that cut. So I like to show, see, I am actually cutting the rope. The rope is, yeah. Anyway, I take one of the ends, I put this in my fist. I take the other end. I just realized two things. One, I can't cut the rope. And two, y'all don't clap for nothing, do you? Check it out, sweetheart. It's a big rubber red ball. My cat taught me that.
Hello friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, me vlogging downtown Pensacola. It was such a fun night. The weather was amazing and it was just a blast, and hopefully I captured that. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Right now, currently, I am packing for New Orleans, and guess what, you guys? That video is gonna start next week. I'm about to get the intro right now. How cool is that? Anyway, I hope you stay happy, stay healthy, stay bright, and I will see you next week. Bye.